Okay, gentlemen, we're looking at a 1970, or actually 1969 to 73 carpet set from us here at Heritage Upholstery. This is the original Hagen carpet we import from Germany. We have it available in the red, blue, black, and soon to be coming tan. But I want to show you guys some of the details here. Of course, we cut it with our computer machine, so it's perfectly accurate for the original patterns. Bound as original. This the heel pad for the driver's side has the ribs, so exactly as original, and I've demonstrated how we bind in other videos, how we bind right through into the bubble felt on the back. This is without doubt the most authentic carpet set available for classic Porsche anywhere in the world. Simple as that. The attention to detail is perfect. The vinyl that we've used on the back is from the Targa top material, exactly as original. Fiberboard piece is cut with our computer machine. We've even sourced the correct size rivets from Germany, so those are hand set just as they were from the factory. Then we have the passenger side mat, again bubble felt on the back, has the strap as original, and the center piece with the correct ribs, and then just down the middle so that it's able to bend when it goes in the car. Of course, the rear mats are straightforward like that. And then finally, the kick panels A-post. I grabbed them from the store before they had time to stitch here, but there's a stitch line through the top that will be added. And then we have the fiberboard again cut with our CNC machine, so it's perfectly fits as original. There's the other side, same thing, different shape. And then this piece here, which is very interesting because it's exactly as original. Raw edge for the leather, not sewn on the edge. This is how Porsche did it. It's quite crude, but that's how they did it. Beautifully top stitched around the outside, and raw edge for the center. Has the straps to hold it in position, and again bubble felt on the back. So if you guys know your early cars, you'll recognize this as being absolutely perfect factory spec.